Okay. ADV. Honda ADV 160. Siset natin yung oras dito sa kanyang panel. Okay. Ito na yung panel ng ating ADV 160. So, buksan na natin. Push muna natin tong knob. Then, pag ganyan, pihitin na natin. So, yan yung oras, 4:38. I-set natin ng 3:30. So, 3:30 yung oras ngayon. Siset natin ng 3:30. Unang gawin natin is itong dalawang button na to. Dalawang side. Long press lang natin. Yan, nagbe-blink 12 hours. Kung gusto mo 24, adjust mo lang ganyan, 24. Kung 12 hours, balik mo lang. Ayan. Tapos, next. So, 4:38. So, yan. Ibaba mo lang, stress na. Pwede rin kung alas 5, yan. Ayan lang. Up and down lang yan. So, 3:30. So, next. 30. So, magbawas tayo. 3:30. Push down lang. Down. 30. Ayan. Next. Dito naman, ito naman kanyang brightness. Ayan. Brightness ng panel yan. Pag gusto mong mas maliwanag, isagad mo lang yung yan. Okay. Next. Kilometer per liter. Pwede ka rin yung liter per kilometer. Ayan. Kilometer per liter tayo. Next. So, ayan. Okay na. Ito yung average consumption. So, ayan. Okay. Check natin. Patayin. 3:30. Off. Sa natin. Okay. That's all.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.